안녕하세요. This is teacher Kim. Today, we will learn about the 7 sounds of Korean final consonants. Of the 19 consonants in Korean, excluding 3, 16 can be used as final consonants, and they have only 7 sounds. So after learning this lesson, you will be able to read every Hangul very easily. When the consonants 그, 그 become final consonants, they become the sound AK. I'll try adding a to make the sound a. Let's look at the example. It's the kitchen. Kitchen is 부엌. Look at the fruit on the table. Watermelon is 수박. 파. Look out the window. Where's that? Outside. Outside is 파. So if 그 become the final consonant, it's a. The sound AK. One more time. 부엌, 수박, 파. 파. New makes an sound. An. Look at the snow. Snow is 눈. Look at the animal's eyes. The eyes are also called 눈. 드, 스, 즈, 츠, 트, 흐. These 7 things are making the sound AT when used as a final consonant. Let's try it. At. The sound is lighter than the AK sound. AK is AT is at. It's lighter. At. The daytime is not. Look at the flower garden. Flower is 꽃. And the field is called 밭. One more time. not, 꽃, 밭. not, 꽃, 밭. It sounds at. You went to buy clothes. In Korean, the verb went is 갔다. 갓. You bought a spoon and clothes. Spoon is 숟가락. 숟. Clothes is 옷. Again, 갔다. 숟가락, 옷. 갓, 숟, 옷. These also make the AT sound, right? Okay. Last one in the AT sound is the consonant 흐. The name is 히읗. 히읗. The AT sound. 르 is 알. One thing to be careful of is don't roll your tongue. Now, I'm pronouncing it with my tongue barely moving. In Korean, the tongue does not move as flexibly as in English. Please pronounce it lightly. 알. Not like R, okay? 알. Look at the calendar. Month is called 달 in Korean. 달. And also, the moon in the night sky is 달. Next is 암. Persimmon is a fruit commonly eaten in fall in Korea. 감. And 푸. Both become final consonants. The sound AP is produced. up. House is 집 in Korean. 집. And the front is up. They both make the AP sound. 집, up. Lastly, the consonant makes the sound 앙. Bread is 빵 in Korean. 빵, 빵. Okay, let's sum up. The 16 consonants in Korean have 7 sounds. Look at the right side. 아, 안, 앗, 알, 암, 압, 앙. One more time. 악, 안, 앗, 알, 암, 압, 앙. That's all for 7 sounds in Korean final consonants. If you enjoyed this class, please subscribe and click the like button. See you again!